Okay, what's up? What's up? Good morning, everybody. Sorry, it's a bit preoccupied there. CPI day. Oh, today we feast. As always. Mocking the markets at Monster. Fuck, I'm raving. Oh shit, you're on mute. I wish everyone heard the disappointment in your voice there. What's up, bro?
Yes. You good, brother?
Yeah, good on you.
Yes, no complaints.
Alright, so let's get into it real quick. GJ here, you can see that we had this sell-off yesterday. Now, this was induced by this Silicon Valley Bank collapsing. Alright, this brought fear, uncertainty, and doubt to the market. So we could see that move up on gold as well. Alright, so a lot of money being poured into these safe haven assets. Gold, safe haven, yen, safe haven. The dollar is also a safe haven, but what I've realized is obviously the dollar was directly impacted in the scenario. So obviously we saw an outflow of the dollar into gold, and we saw this surge up here on gold. This is crazy looking at the 4 hour. I looked at this yesterday. There's like 17 consecutive bullish candles. Mad. Fucking mad. Anyway. So yeah, back to GJ. GJ, we've broken back above 161, 500 or 162. You know, this is a level that we were looking at last week. We've been looking at for a while as a very significant area in price. You can see right here, for a period of time, this was the top of this range, and then we saw the breakout, found support, had a very, very nice rally of about 500 pips up, came back down. We caught these swing trade buys last week, and then obviously Friday we started to come down as that initial news came out. Now, since we're breaking back above this key demand area, if you want to call it that, you know, this is showing me that we've priced this news in. This news has been faded out, and that this has now turned into a liquidity grab. If you have a look on the daily, actually, no, we didn't close bullish yesterday, did we? But we just had that massive wick to the downside. If you look at last year, okay, this is on a much bigger scale, and this hit the markets a bit harder, but we had this sell-off from the yen interventions, and you can see how this inevitably just grabbed liquidity, and over the next couple of weeks we actually came up to create new highs just because we had grabbed all of that liquidity and we faded out all of that nonsense. So on a smaller scale, that's what I'm seeing here. And just jumping straight back into the original bullish bias here. If you adapted to the sells below 161 500 yesterday, you would have been good down to those targets. But now, looking to get back into the buys, still going to be tricky within this range. Definitely going to be a little bit of a tough one, but safer buys above 163, that still remains, and I'll probably just be waiting for that here on GJ. Very nice bullish closure there on the previous 4 hour, but I don't want to get stuck into anything with hardly any range moving up to 163. I would just rather wait for the breaks above that level, key level. Sales are going to be really tricky for me. In fact, for the day, I may just leave sales alone. Not saying you can't adapt to sales, but personally, I'd probably have to wait for us to break back below 161,500 just to get out of this range here. Pretty much the same as yesterday. Also, just looking at the yen index here. Okay, if we zoom out, we can see that we're extremely bearish on the yen on a higher time frame. Now we had this pullback up until the beginning of this year, and we've seen that bearish pressure come back in. Now this SVB news gave us a extended pullback, so we pulled back deeper than I was personally expecting, but you can see the rejections here to the upside starting to move back down, so we'll see. Gold is going to be tough this morning. With CPI later on today, I'm not expecting a whole lot. You can already see some volume coming in here this morning. So if anything, that is probably the move on gold. Not too worried about that. Not going to chase anything here on gold today or this morning. We actually caught these retest buys yesterday in New York session. Very nice and clean move there that Jared called out for us.
Morning.
Morning, what's up?
Not much in yourself.
Yeah, chilling. All good.
Yeah, Nick, my brain still hurts.
No,
Not gonna
shut
lie.
up. It's too early for cuck numbers. Yes.
Yeah, bro.
What is this, the binary?
Shit, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Connor, I was gonna say maybe you want to take a look at GU.
Yeah, we'll have a look. Just trying
Maybe
to
setting up.
figure out gold. I feel like just closing the gold tab and calling it a morning here on gold. Just focus on GJ.
I think we should just wait for CPI for gold because it will hold what we want in gold. So what's the point of taking a trade on it in the morning?
No, that's the thing. I'm not
There's literally no reason.
not too interested this morning.
Even if it's just sitting nicely, I don't see the point if we know later on we're gonna have what we want in the market. We're gonna have direction and volume, so
Yeah, exactly. GBP.
there's a lot of pound news coming out. I don't think anything that holds value much, but it's just some pound news coming out.
Let's have a look. Yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll wait to see how this news comes out. If it comes out bad, I'll probably just call it a morning. Save the bullets.
If it comes out bad, oh yeah.
Yeah. I'd really like to see it come out good so we can look at those GJ bars.
Yeah, it is setting up for bars, but it's at a level where we need our setup to come into play, meaning we need it to break through and come back and retest with a wick, and then we can get in on bars.
Yeah.
Just the way it's setting up. It's not going to be one of those we can enter as it's going through to the half.
So, GU. You know what? GU is probably also going to be quite tough with CPI later on.
I think CPI is going to move it a lot as well, bro, obviously.
Because we're sitting at quite a significant area here. So, you know, when you're sitting at a level like this before something like CPI, CPI is going to determine or be a catalyst whether we break through this level or if we reject. So that's why I don't want to call, you know, tops or bottoms here, because we'll probably just hang around this area until CPI.
The shit thing is we have news coming now, so news can drive price up more, and then CPI can lead us straight back to the low again.
Yeah, that news could, if it's good, could definitely, you know, push us deeper into this level, and then just grabbing liquidity. CPI later just drops us.
Yeah, like nothing amazing. Just move us in, get some buyers going to just throw them out a bit later. So.
Yeah, so just be aware of that here on GU.
Did you send a
Bit of a tough
CPI
one.
analysis?
No, not yet.
In the group?
Not yet.
Okay. Are you expecting 25?
Pardon me?
Are you expecting 25 BPS?
This is CPI, eh?
Oh,
It's
what it is? It's
not interest rates.
Fuck, what's the word?
CPI earlier today. What time is NY session starting?
Oh, yeah, that's what I wanted to ask. Are we starting 1:30 now? Is that how it's working?
Yeah, because New York session is at 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna start 1:30.
Yeah.
And just see how it goes. You know, if you can see the volumes coming in later, we'll obviously go back to 2:30 for a bit, seeing as I don't want to waste anybody's time. But we'll just take it as it goes. But 1:30, yeah.
Ooh. I'm gonna send you something, Connor. Don't know if you've seen it. Has to do with CPI.
ASMR sounds with that keyboard. Possible buys in gold or no? Definitely possible. I mean, anything's possible. Just gonna be a little bit tough. Could still see a move up to 1920.
This Conso, you took off the subscriber chat thing today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had
hold
to.
some hands.
I had to reset a couple different things. Have you ever seen Mint FX content? No, never. Good reply, Jared.
Easy as that.
Dude, you know, sometimes people ask me like shit like this, and I'm like, you know, yesterday someone at gym asked me about joining their Discord, like with their friends and that, about Forex, and I'm like, bro, I don't even have time. I've got my own Discord, like, I've got my own community going on here. Like, what the fuck? Man clearly doesn't know what we're up to this side.
That's like that fucking DM you got that irritated us.
Yo. That's just
you know what I'm talking
entitlement.
about now.
Yeah, no, I remember that.
Yeah. to go trade long. You must look at your DMs. I'll send you something when you have some time. Oh, CPI. What? Bro, I wonder where Ned gets all this energy every morning, dude. Oh, shit.
That actually made me laugh a bit live.
What, Ned?
No, Wayne said, go watch a few streams and you'll see what The Rock is cooking.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave gold for this morning, and I'll do a nice analysis for CPI later on.
Agreed, bro. 100% agreed.
I mean, even DXY here is just like all over the place. We are at quite a significant level that we could see rejections start to move up. Just like gold. You know, we are at a very significant level. But like I was describing with GU, in order to see if we continue pushing on higher, we will need to see a catalyst. In order to see us reject, we will need that catalyst, which will be CPI later on. So I'm not going to chase anything here on gold. I'd rather just wait for the pound news. See if it's coming out good. If it's coming out good, could see the setups here for the buys on GJ this morning. Yeah, so CPI today will be 2:30 South African time with the daylight savings. They're forecasting really good numbers. Which just adds into that idea. I don't think numbers are coming out as good as expected. I do believe inflation will be high, and we'll see those rejections on gold and possibly start to move back to the downside. One thing I just want to show you guys here, which I had a look at yesterday. Last year when we were trending bearish here, from the lows to the highs, this was a 900 pip pullback. Here from the lows to the highs, this was 1,000, nearly 300 pip pullback. Even here, from these lows, we pulled back 1,100 pips before coming back down to the lows. Right here, you know, it's just these pullbacks, these deeper pullbacks have actually all been around the same size. Very interesting. When are you getting in? Don't know. Maybe never. I'll have to wait and see. I'll get in when my setups come to me. The heat is on gold tonight. 100%. Did you just flex about chess? Hey, Cameron. Let's play chess, bro. I'm sure this is Cameron. Top heads. Bro,
Are you
if this
betting
is
into a deal, bro?
if this is the guy that I'm thinking of, this is the best chess player I know personally.
Really?
Fuck, you'll rape everyone. Not like
Nah,
that.
Dude, I'm quite good at it. Dude, I'm SA's best, bro. It's crazy.
Jared, he dizzy.
I swear, dude. I was there. I was South Africa.
Hey, top heads. I see you running. Don't run. I'm gonna add you on chess.com now. Man doesn't want to smoke. I don't know if this is him.
Everyone to play, bro. So good. We won't be taking anything on gold. We're waiting for CPI for later, so we're not going to look at gold this morning.
Yeah, guys, just you can take a little bit of a break from gold. You don't need a trade this morning. Just remember that.
I mean, we took 3 yesterday.
Yeah, we actually took 3. I mean,
No,
when do we even take 3 trades in a day?
seldomly, eh?
Or dubs.
Dude, he's scaring me, bro. He wants to play in a bullet match, bro.
Don't have much time. Jeez, this man is dangerous.
Dude, he's gonna murder you in like 3 moves, bro.
Okay,
He's gonna make his king identify as a queen, and then he's just gonna murder you, bro.
my username is Con Abrams. CONABRAMS.
No, he's lying. His username is just this.
I don't know if you want to add me. Or if I add you. Yo, nah. I'm gonna get wrecked. Yeah, we from South Africa. South of Africa.
Yeah, it doesn't sound the same as the south. I'm from the south of France.
Nah, not at all.
Yes. From the south of France. Yeah, I'm from the south of Africa. Dude, I'm so interested in seeing this guy play you, bro.
Hey, well, if it is my friend, I've sent him a link, so we'll see. We shall see. Okay, fuck, Oaks, it's over. It's over. A 1 minute game. Goodness. Never even played a 1 minute game. Nah, I don't think this is my friend. Can't be.
1,327.
Yeah. Fucking. Justice, bud. This man is playing. I don't see how you can finish the game in a minute.
I used to play a lot of 1 minute chess, and dude, it's intense, eh?
No, it's crazy. Fuck.
Thing is, you panic, eh?
No, I don't panic. Fuck. That was so dumb. Dude, there's no ways you can play a 1 minute game like this. Oh well, good game. GG's. We are here to trade. Trade then. This is trading. 90% of trading is waiting. So you just gotta keep yourself busy. You know, challenge someone in chat to chess. You can just watch or leave. Up to you.
Nah, it's the YouTube community is coming back in full swing.
Nah, literally. Oh, yeah, it is him.
Was that him?
Yeah.
There's another guy on our stream that's rated 1800 that added me as a friend, and I've never caught him, so I can't play him.
Wait, let's see his ratings here. This is obviously his bullet rating.
I was really waiting for you to just fuck, to be honest. Like I was sitting here
What?
waiting for it. That's all I was waiting for. I was just waiting for this man to wreck you, dude.
Oh, it's tough on a 1 minute game. think I did well not to like
Bro,
completely blunder, but
yeah.
I blundered my rook.
Like, yeah, but if you're playing someone that's much better in a 1 minute, you can literally just be a worse and not like let them win you, you know?
Yeah.
You can play Tom and just lose that one. Like, oh, I lost to Tom. You know? Life's easy.
I did lose on time. Unintentionally. Rapid. I mean, yeah, he's basically 1,300 rated. That's pretty decent.
No, that's solid. Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah. Edmund, can you at least tell us how to play chess? Go watch Gotham Chess on YouTube. You know what? I've accepted it's going to be a slow morning. I'm looking for this GJ bar. Hopefully the news comes out in line with what I'm looking for in GJ. But we just need to take it easy, stay fresh, stay prepared for CPI. I think CPI is going to be... It's going to get crazy today. Let's just say that. I mean, even yesterday, you could see the volume was going crazy. This range is how big? 100 pips. I mean, previous 30-minute candle there was 90 pips. There's a lot of volume in the market right now. Things are going to get extremely volatile later on. Yesterday we actually used this 5-minute candle here for entries in New York session, because 15-minute candle stops would have been too big. 5-minute candle there was like 45 pips. I mean, it's mad. What now?
Look at Ned's profile picture. Look at Ned's profile picture. I couldn't keep on laughing, bro. I tried so hard.
Oh, Ned. Yeah.
Oh no, yeah, Ned. Ned, yeah, I know we said you have a lot of time on your hands at the moment because we're waiting, but yes, we have JJ saying, "What's up, lads? Greeting from Australia. How's it, JJ? Lovely to have you." And then we have Steven saying, "Greetings, guys, from Kenya, East Africa." Welcome, Steven. Mark, we really do have a community from all over.
Hey, welcome everybody from all over the place. Oh fuck. Shit. Someone's gonna log into my Tickmore demo account. Trying out new brokers. Fuck.
It sounded like you were gonna say that we gonna call it a stream and then manage it in Discord if the bars come in.
Nah. I'm waiting here for the news.
Up to you.
Oh, now that thing that Ned did is actually funny. Eh? Where did he even get that photo? Did he just take it off screen, off stream?
Yeah, I must have.
No, that was solid, bro.
I want to find Ned on Instagram. I wonder if he has Instagram. It's a crazy world we live in. Like on this YouTube, you know, we've met some people, like made some friends, internet friends. Ned and Neddy. Everyone's going crazy for Ned today. Admin, sneaky. What are you talking about? GJ. So what did you see here? Nothing private, eh? Fucking... Tickmill is not bad, eh? Also looked at fusion markets yesterday. Do you trade Euro AUD? No.
Your meme killed me, Con. I just saw it now.
Which one on my story?
Yeah, what do you know about interest rates? Nothing. You're hired.
Bro, how can you be at such a level and fuck up so hard? That's just
Greed, bro.
it is greed, definitely. But I mean,
Silicon Valley.
the thing is, we grow up trusting these systems and that, and then obviously, you know, as you get older, you realize that it's no one to be trusted. It's run by people at the end of the day, and people make mistakes. They have emotions. Connor, do you teach how to read fundamentals for MMT members? Of course. Do a lot of fundamental stuff. Been sending a lot of updates with the S3B news as well. Keeping guys in the loop. And how numbers of news affect pairs. Yes, so with the... Let's actually just show you the Discord here. I'll go back to a past CPI prep to give you some insight.
Bro, Jared and Ned are like a fucking couple that's like skip hopping down the park holding hands.
Why now?
Look at the profile pictures now.
I had to, bro.
What the heck, Jared?
I'm sorry. Oh.
Okay, so I mean there was NFP prep, but this was a bit of a adaptive. Had to adapt here to NFP. So I didn't really give out anything too crazy, but here previous CPI. So on the 14th, this was Valentine's Day. Gave different scenarios based off different numbers and how they could possibly play out. So scenario 1, higher than previous. Scenario 2, higher than forecasted but lower than previous. And basically just drew out what I was looking for. So I think we had scenario 1 playing out last month on gold. If you go back and have a look, I know that we caught sells there. We caught very nice sells, 240 pips that day. I know we were scaled in, yeah. Probably took these bars from up there. Sells, I mean, sorry. So obviously it was very volatile, but you can see on the low time frames here, these ideas played out. The sells for scenario 1, the more aggressive sells. I love Ned, but everyone knows it's admin's second account. You got me. Do you want to trade GJ because of news coming out in 10 minutes? Exactly, that's why.
Being into crypto, right? But how do these crypto payments work if we start accepting like Bitcoin, for example?
Who? Us?
Yeah.
No, I don't think we can. I mean, they can send it to me anyway, but it's not gonna do anything. Patreon doesn't accept crypto, I don't think.
Yeah, because a few people have actually asked me in Discord, do you guys accept crypto? And I'm like, no. Okay. But yeah, I mean, yeah, if you can buy crypto, you can use your card to buy these things.
Yeah. Not everywhere accepts crypto. I mean, crypto is
It's done, bro.
Head.
fucked in a nutshell. Why would you accept something that's falling, that's dropping in value?
You're gonna pay me $100 and in a month it's $90.
In a month, it's $50.
After CPI, it's fucking $5, my friend.
Just trying to offload all their crypto and just sell it, put it back into dollars, and then buy the membership.
Yeah, June said he's busy with his local bank to get it because we don't accept crypto, is what he said.
Where is he from? I've never heard somebody refer to a bank as their local bank.
That's what I was thinking too, but like, hey, it's not. Maybe June's like over in America, but he's got an offshore account here in SA, bro, for some odd reason.
When he said local bank, I got village vibes.
I thought June was actually from here, from
Yeah, I thought so as well.
SA. Your region's banned from Super Chat. Yeah, I just appreciate you being here. Don't worry about that. That's crazy though. I wonder why they would ban them. From Indonesia.
Yeah, he probably has all that shit that Chad and them had with the banks and the trading and all that stuff.
No, I think... Oh, maybe, yeah. You never know.
Yeah. It's probably that same bomb.
Madara. This man's funny.
Madara. This man's bored as fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck is, what is that? Don't you have too much energy, bro? What is that thing called?
ADHD.
Yeah, but that's okay. It's 110%, bro. You got. What? I have it and you don't. What do you mean, Jared? What are you?
Super chat.
No, Jared is childish. Thanks, Jared, for the $1.
Not even, it's like 70 cents. But I just have to flex that I have it.
Ned, I'm speaking about Madara, bro. I can call the photo cargo on him straight up, but anyway. I'm confused. I notice you get on early and sometimes later, so you are waiting for London Open. What time does London session open for you?
I
We
hop
on
on
same time every morning.
same time every morning. And then London Open is in about an hour. At 10 for me.
Yeah, hour and 5 minutes is London Open. So just convert your time.
Sometimes, you know, we catch quite nice moves pre-London. Of course, today, you know, not too much going on, not too much setting up. So ideal to wait here for London Open, or at least wait for this pound news to come out. I like to hop on early, you know. I find that there's a lot of opportunity in the first 2 hours before or pre-session. But obviously not every single day there's going to be opportunities before market open. Sometimes you have to wait for market open. Forex 90-minute cycles? No. Not into astrology.
Our chat is something else, my friend. They ask, Madara asks, what's 14 ZAR worth? One guy says 15 chappies, other guy says a fat cook and bologna.
I don't even think it is worth that, so I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, no, that's...
Nah.
Bro, you can get that for like £5 rand.
Yeah. Fat cook and bologna, you can get them a guinya for like fucking $4 rand, I think. And then paneers, obviously, it depends on slices.
Pack of ghost loaves and banana.
That's right. We're finding out everyone's pre-workout job, boss. This is what the Oaks tell when they tired from working. Because when I was working in construction, bro, fat cook and Russians, bro, and chips, dude, slap chips. Yeah, those are my go-tos. Bro.
You are those slap chips, but with the spice.
Yeah, bro, it makes you fucking full enough for the rest of the day, so you can go work all that.
And the score.
Yeah.
So Connor, now you don't have to make your own fat cooks with you spilling your flour last night in the kitchen.
Fuck.
Now you can just go buy them.
Who said that is flour?
What was it?
Yeah. What?
Was it?
Hey,
that was
that
is my side hustle.
Oh, it makes sense now. No wonder you say chappy every morning.
No, it was cream of rice.
Or is it cream of rice?
Yeah.
Oh, chat this morning is doing something to me, my friend. Yo.
You see, this is what happens when you turn off
No, I
subscribers
wasn't,
only
bro.
mode. No, but it's chill today. Chat's not
That's
bad, it's
very
just
many.
entertaining. Inflation exists. Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure, Maduro? In which countries does it exist, bro?
We're gonna find out today about inflation. Find out all about it. Consumer price index.
What is Forex 90-minute cycles, dude? Is that just like trading on a hour and a half time frame type
I don't know what it
No,
is.
I think I know. You get yourself a stationary bike, and then you use that as a chair instead of your usual chair.
Shut the fuck up,
And you
Jared.
trade for 3 30-minute candles. And that's generally.
Bro, I was
how you
literally
go
listening
about
to
it.
Jared with like full intent of that he's gonna speak some proper shit. And he goes and speaks cock, dude.
Sorry, bro.
You see, this man saying the same shit as you, Ned. I told you, bro. They hold hands and skip along in a park, my friend. Yeah. But what is his name? Sip and Slow. Tell us about it, bro. Like, what is 90-minute cycle?
No, bro, don't tell us about it, please. Ignore Nico. I don't wanna know.
What?
No, it's cuck, man. Fuck.
Is it shit?
Yeah,
It's like
it's
S&T boys.
probably.
Oh,
Dude,
okay, never mind, bro. Keep it to yourself.
Dude, I've made enough salary to not have to worry about cycling and Forex, bro.
Bro, is Madara not fucking Ned's second account, maybe? Eh?
Bro, probably. That makes more
Because
sense.
Madara was claiming that Ned is admin, but now, I don't know. Now maybe they're the same people.
Brew, even says brew like 2 peas in a pod. Oh, fuck. Oh, he's talking about Jared.
Nah, don't put me in this. I'm just here. I don't even know why I'm here. No, I'm joking. Second guessing my life choice.
90-minute cycles have to do with the CLS agency that settles for Forex transactions. But, yeah, I mean, that is interesting. But the thing is, volume can come in at any time. And I think that's very well known. So I wouldn't look too deep into it. You know, I have a pretty good idea of the different times volume could come in. And I've never heard of this 90-minute cycle thing. So I'm not gonna concern myself with it now. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but you can see like he's a legit like he says it's not
Yeah.
like he's not here to wrestle. He's just like sharing.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that. I do. I'll Google it. I actually will. COS. Like the Mercedes CLS. Flip a nice car.
What about Marco? You know what Connor was gonna do yesterday, Jared? Listen to what this monkey was gonna do, bro. He drives to the driving range to meet me there, and there's a Porsche driving in front of him. So he wants to take a video of him in his R and the Porsche in front of him and say squad pulling up. The fucking doors. Then like it's me in the Porsche.
Dude, it would have been sick.
Yeah.
Overall, good numbers here for the pound. Claimant count change, good numbers. Average earnings came out as forecasted. So that shouldn't have too much weight. And unemployment rate also same as previous, better than forecasted. Claimant count change. It's not as good as previous, but way better than forecasted. So we'll see here. I'll stick around, see how the hourly candle closes here for London session. London open. How long for the 1 hour candle to close? Yeah, no.
Not that popular yet today.
No, that question mustn't be asked in this community, please. Yo.
Yeah, I haven't got to that level just yet.
Yo. We're gonna get no level we're gonna get to. 0.01 that sends an email to us. The email you showed me, Connor.
What?
That
The
email you showed,
reviews.
what is that called? Yeah.
Yeah, they were reviews.
The reviews, yeah.
Yo. I couldn't imagine being
Bro, never
that
in my
review
entire
person.
life do I have that patient.
Yo, the reviews on Trustpilot on brokers. Gents. Just do yourself a favor if you're bored. Go and Google any broker. Go look on Trustpilot. And just see some of the reviews. I was looking at Fusion Markets reviews on Trustpilot yesterday. Just go to the 1-star reviews. Those oaks are fucking retards. Oaks are complaining about margin call. Oaks are complaining about losing their accounts over a number of trades, or something. Someone was complaining about the execution of some of their trades, and then the Fusion Markets whatever representative replies something. Yeah, on our side we can see that you are using a 0.01 lot.
Imagine being outside
Expose them.
Oh, but did you see how fast the man executed his trade as well?
Yeah,
see
you
that?
literally just like open and closed it immediately. Like what?
Like, well, how can you email someone after that, dude? Oh, no, man. Ew. Hey, I take my hat off to that guy that's replying, bro, because he has a lot in him to reply. That's like gentle, bro.
Patience.
No,
Bro,
dude,
that man
you
is a
need people
trader.
with patience, though.
I don't even want to say it's patience, bro, because I don't even know that that's just being a good human, I suppose, bro. You don't want to hurt someone's feelings because, my goodness.
But the thing is, some of those responses were like low key. They were roasting them.
Yeah, it's like they also can't believe it. But let's be humble and not humble. Let's be gentle and reply nicely, but at the same time tell them they're idiots.
But they obviously pay to give reviews. So, I mean, they can't just be like, listen, you moron. You know what I'm saying? They can't just give a Roger reply.
No, for sure. But I mean, still, like,
Bro, someone says they have a fraudulent system that closes together at a certain margin. Bro, like, yes, that's how it fucking works. To protect your capital. Because you literally gonna blow your account.
This is how prop firms make money, dude. Like, imagine someone blowing their normal live account, and a prop firm only gives you 5%, 3%. Blink of an eye, you done, bro. Account's gone. Yes.
But that's just ignorance, really.
We don't mind them, Connor. They pay the prop firms for us to get paid, bro. That's fine.
That's true.
They the liquidity. No, I'm joking. I'm not even in that long.
What do you think about Lavender?
Liquidity.
All our charts are Lavender, not.
Yeah, on TradingView these charts are Lavender, but I've never used them. I've been looking at them. They've been around for a long time. Obviously regulated. Don't see anything wrong with them. I just don't know what their spreads are like, what their commissions are like, their execution. I don't know any of this stuff. So I might open a demo with them and just try it out.
I'll stick with RC markets, Ned. That's me.
Yeah, RC is solid.
It's literally to me. It's just it's between Blueberry and RC. That's it. But RC just because I've been my RC for a long time.
You know what? RC are regulated, so that's a good thing.
Is Blueberry?
Nah, Blueberry's not.
Oh, Jared.
Nah, man, don't be like that.
I'm teasing. I'm teasing.
You
I
got
just know Jared said two thoughts.
But if Blueberry runs away, I'm sleeping on one of your couches. So I don't know what you're laughing at.
XNES for SA, honestly, I used XNES a long time ago, but the spreads work out ridiculous. I haven't had another look at them, but I will say that there's probably better brokers out there. You're not limited in South Africa. You don't need to use a South African broker, and you probably shouldn't use a South African broker.
If I'm not mistaken, XNS spread on gold is 4 pips, dude. Look, is the spread not 4 pips on gold? Like 40, for example.
But Con, I think one thing to take into account is when you use them, which account did you use? Like a pro account or just a standard account?
I don't remember. I used them a long time ago. But
I don't even think that was there, bro.
Another thing is there was always requotes. So like you put in a trade and then it gives a pop-up and it says your order has like been requoted. They've given you a different quote. So you want to buy at this price and then they come back and say no, like we're going to give it to you at this price. But by the time you've clicked accept quote, it's already moved. And then sometimes because it's moved so much, it'll fucking requote it again.
Jeez.
No, that's when I left.
That's ridiculous.
So you'll never be able to like market execute on volume, basically. It'll be fucked.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't used them in a long time. I wouldn't be able to say, but that's what I experienced with them. Tickmore is a good broker with low spreads. Yeah, I'm having a look at them. They look pretty solid.
How did you come across them?
I just was Googling best brokers, regulated brokers, best regulated brokers, and they popped up a couple times, so I looked into them.
RC is nice for people that are trading dollar pairs because their dollar pairs are extremely low.
Yeah.
Trade 245 is fucking skill.
One way or another, broker makes money from you. Not necessarily. Depends on their structure.
No, look, no. We went. That's FFF Trader and JP Marcus. They were like a married couple, bro. Best friends, best everything.
I literally put in 5 grand once, and now Niku's thinks I left them. I put them in my will. I left everything to JP Markets.
You don't know that if you sign up at JP Markets, Connor? I don't know if you knew this, bro. You put your money in they do the trading for you, bro. They open and close the trades for you.
Yeah, that's fucked.
Somebody made a good point. There's a famous video of a guy in the JP Markets offices, and then the trades are opening and closing himself. And then somebody said, how did you know that guy's got his friend at home with the laptop and then now just opening and closing the trades on the laptop? And I was like, that's a fair point. That's not a bad point. I'm not saying that I'm backing JP Markets.
I'm also wondering.
Bro, look,
but I'm just saying that,
friends, bro.
Yeah, I'm just saying that it's possible. It's possible.
Dude, did you see how many stories came out? It was not fucking one person claiming that.
But yeah, a lot of people use brokers to do fraudulent things. So you have to be careful. And that's why I've made the decision to rather just look for a good, solid, regulated broker that's been around for a while. And just stop messing around with these unregulated oaks. Because even if you trust them, even if it's your fucking uncle, You never know when that man's gonna run away with your money. And
You
I'm not
never
playing
know.
that game.
Not even if he's gonna run away with your money.
I
When
told you
he's
about
gonna
Ocha,
run
mate.
away.
Yeah?
I told you what happened to the one in Ocha, mate.
Uh-huh.
So some Forex guy came to him that does Forex and was telling him, oh, he can make this money and flip this money and so on and so on. And then he got a group of people from the gym and wherever to put money together so that they have a bigger account so that he can trade it and make money. And then this guy I was speaking to actually gave the oak like 90,000 rand. That's his share alone. So you could imagine how much he got from everyone else. And yeah, man, just straight up dipped, dude. Gone. Weg. With all the money.
Yo,
So,
legend. Bro,
All I have to say to that, bro, is if you're dumb enough to honestly say, cool, listen, I'm gonna put my money into this person that can make 10,000 into 150. Yeah, do you honestly think they're gonna be begging for your 10,000 rand? It's so dumb, man.
that's the thing, dude. People are ignorant. And they just willingly give their money away. Like, they deserve to lose it.
okay, but how many times have we been, okay, I don't know about you guys, but I've been asked this a lot.
Yeah.
Hey, Quan, hey, Jared, can you guys maybe take my 20K and then I'll give you like 25% of the profit you make? Or we can split it about this game.
Yeah. Yeah, I was asked one time, hey, would you trade for me? I'll give you like 30K. I was like, bro, I can make 30K in a trade. Why the fuck would I trade your 30K? Like, what is in it for me? And then another oak asked me who's an electrician. So I think the last time he spoke about this, we discussed this. And I said to him, that's basically like, let's say now you've done your electrical trade, you finished it, you got qualified and everything. And now just because you're my mate, I'm going to ask you to come rewire my house for free. Like, what?
A lot of people don't see what we do as a job, dude. They see it as these oaks are doing something to just make quick cash. That's how they see it. They don't see it as that we're actually putting in a lot of time. We treat it like
Yeah.
a job. We try to get a salary at the end of the month or the 2 weeks or however your payouts work. So,
But I mean, that's what I tried to explain to him. That it's a skill. I spent a shitload of time trying to develop the skill. Or developing the skill. It's taken years. For you to just come and ask me to trade your money, like, I don't need to. I'm not gonna really receive anything from it. Even if you gave me 50% of the profit, like, it's not gonna dent my wallet. So what is in it for me? Nothing. Other than
Insult is our
risk.
craft.
But
100.
not even what's in it for you, bro. But I mean, you putting your name at risk. You're doing something illegal. You're doing something that you
Yeah.
shouldn't be doing. Now, exactly that, bro. It's like, somebody qualifies as a doctor. You're friends with them. Hey, like my uncle, he got this flipping operation. Could you just do it quickly? Like, we're not going to pay you anything, but, just do it. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
It's so stupid.
Yeah, that's the other thing. People don't get that it's actually illegal. And it's crazy. There's a lot of people offering account management, especially NSA, who don't have licenses to trade for you. And if you give your money to that person, just know that you're an idiot. And if you don't realize that already, you're going to learn that. And that's fine. Sometimes you have to learn things the hard way. But I tell you, just think, use your brain. If it sounds too good to be true, it is.
Well, Con, you know what I noticed, bro?
Yeah.
When we speak to anyone that doesn't know about trading,
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't say we dumb it down, but we speak so comfortably about it that it seems much, much easier than what it is.
Yeah, that's
So
probably true. Also, bots, bro. Don't waste your money on bots. Please. I need to make a YouTube video about that. Because you guys need to stop wasting money on bots. Really.
let me tell you something. That account managers use Paul's money to pay Peter. Who the fuck is Paul? Peter? Question mark.
Don't think it matters who
But
Paul or Peter are. The idea is that it's like a pyramid scheme, really. Bots don't work. No, bots don't work.
You probably will find one that make you something, but I mean, it can't adapt to the price action in the market.
Yeah, exactly. So the thing is, you do get algos that are participating in the market. The institutions, banks and that, they have algos running. They have these supercomputers that are running, putting orders into the market. But like I say, they've got supercomputers. They've got teams running this thing 24/7. Now you go buy a bot on Instagram, EA or something. I don't know. I don't even know how the bots work. But you go buy a bot from someone on Instagram for a couple grand. Do you think that that's really going to perform at the same level of these supercomputers? Absolutely not. And then also, yes, like Nico said, it could make you some money for a period of time. But it can't adapt to certain market conditions. There'll be a time where you wake up and your account is 70, 80, 90% down. And then what? No good. No good. Just learn the skill.
I think bots would probably work for some time period up until like CPI or NFP or FOMC. Something comes in and just moves the market upside down, and then what does the bot do then? It doesn't adapt. I don't see that, dude.
no,
And
but
then now that
the
you need a
thing
new
is,
bot to adapt after that.
remember,
Carry
they're
on.
programmed. So how it works is essentially they say to it, okay, cool. If 1 goes to 2, you're going to buy 3 to 4. So if this thing spikes and it's not ready for that market condition, it's going to like huck 8. And then obviously, like Connor said, where they've got supercomputers and teams, the teams don't do anything, they monitor. They literally monitor for these little discrepancies. And then when one comes along, they obviously fix it. But do you honestly think there's a team behind a bot that some oak doesn't even know how it works, but he's marketing it? It's literally a hit and miss. Like, it's going to work for a little bit, you're going to put so much money into it over a time period, boom, blown up out. So I think if the bots work so well, they wouldn't be selling it on Instagram, to be honest with you.
Yeah. I think when it comes to trading and bots, you've got two options. Either you stop wasting your time and you just learn to trade yourself, learn the skill, or you stop wasting your time buying bots and you actually go and learn to code, which in and of itself is obviously a skill and is going to take a lot of time. Because then you can create your own bot, and then when it comes up with bugs, you can work on these bugs. Because that's the thing, you buy one of these bots and it's not adapting to certain market conditions. It'll get a bug at some point and then that's it. But if you develop your own bot, whatever, you know how to code, then you can sort these bugs out. But even then, what a mission. Just stop being lazy and learn to trade. Some people need to work on their own bugs in their mindset, exactly.
Well, fuck, I don't have bugs, bro. I got demons in my head. Yes. These greedy fucks need to leave me alone, bro. Yo. Yeah, I'm gonna head out, Con. I'm not gonna take shit, bro. And you're waiting for a GJ trade. I'm not gonna take a GJ. GU did some ratchet shit, so.
Yeah, but you see, GU and GJ will move very differently. Because,
No, for sure.
yeah, I mean, especially in this instance where we saw GJ dipping yesterday, because the yen is a safe haven. Whereas dollar yesterday was obviously taking a knock. So we saw pound stronger than the dollar yesterday. It's just, It's very difficult to look at the correlation between these two pairs because it's risk asset versus a safe haven, and then risk asset versus risk asset.
You know, well, I do think there's a potential for GU to run up for now, but it's not setting up for me to take trades. And then I do think CPI is probably going to make this thing come back, especially depending on the numbers. But we're going to probably go back into the item range marked up as a no trade range. I think we're going to break below that. Do you remember that low we were looking at?
Yeah.
That we said we wanted to do swing trades on that sells.
Yeah.
I think we're going to either come back to retest that. That's what I think. That low we had.
Yeah, completely depends on CPI. I think we'll still hang around this area this morning.
Yeah, definitely this morning. Anyway.
I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm just gonna call it.
Yeah, I'm leaving now, bro. There's no point you switch up on. We're gonna wait for what's happening later is what we want, bro. So
yeah, I mean, well, we could see we're raging now. I mean, London could definitely bring the volume here on the pound, but I want to stay fresh for CPI later on. Right now, market's not really doing anything.
What do we want? CPI. When do we want it? No.
Be patient, market's literally dead. Exactly, so there's no point in sitting here.
Check the Monster Money trading team in New York. 9 out of 9.
9 for 9.
That's actually very true. Like, can I tell you, when I was an independent trader, I legitimately was like, I had an ego that, listen, I'm the best at whatever, right? I thought, yeah, nobody can touch the way I trade. When I started seeing Connor trade news, I'm like, okay, Connor, here's the reins, bro. You are a much better news trader than I am. Like, man has got some other trade when it comes to news.
Fuck.
Dude.
Yeah, no, I've been enjoying the news, but obviously we've been just... I've been prepared, that's the thing. That's the thing. I mean, every trade that's been taken for news has been planned out and based off numbers. So that's why the success rate is so high. But today I'm expecting crazy volatility. Today I woke up knowing that I'm probably using half risk today. Did I say knowing? I mean knowing. What the fuck?
Dude, we 9 out of 9. How could you not full margin, sir?
Well, you see, that's the thing. Like,
no, I'm joking.
I know you know.
Yeah.
But
That's very bad.
I don't want to get overconfident and guarantee that, okay, the next news trade is going to be one. Rather just stay level-headed and take it for what it is. Stay prepared. Already not fresh, exactly, bro. I need to fucking leave.
I snap down. We'll see you guys in CPI.
Okay, cheers everybody. Market's very slow here this morning. CPI later. What's the point? I'm going to save my bullets for later, and I'm going to murder CPI. So, safer buys above 163 here for GJ. You had some good news for the pound just now. Looks good. Gold. Personally, I wouldn't touch it until later on. Good numbers for CPI, or higher than expected. Gold sells. Same as forecasted. Gonna be tricky, may need to adapt. If numbers are coming out lower, gold buys to the moon. Cheers.